He gonna get us X'd out, boy. That's what, get that one?
Oh, it's a freight train.
Oh, let's do it. Gang, we at low light mode, gang. All right, so we're literally about to use this to tie her hair, y'all. Okay, I don't know who was inquiring about the photo shoot. Hey, and then I think I'm gonna stop telling you after that. How about I tell you be quiet and then maybe after that you listen. Yeah, and now I'm gonna put these under. Yeah. Oh yeah, hold this up right here. Yeah, stop playing with me. Like, you know how I work with girls, like you forgot? You know how much time I gotta innovate? Stop it, now it's hidden. What is she talking about? I can't even tell, can't see it. So I got the bigger one, the smaller one. I was using the smaller one before, I'm gonna change it to the bigger one. Right here, just like so. I'd be so scared for Fab. He got like 9 different people just surrounding him. Right here. Bet, I'm gonna be with him. I'm gonna be with him. All right, bet, safety.
What's your name?
Taxi, T-A-X-I, yeah. Nice to meet you, fam. For sure, man. Love. All right, you too, fam. All right, bet. You was hungry and didn't tell me. See?
I'm trying to spend money.
You see what? All right, you guys, we're gonna get away from them because I don't know if they're copyrighted beats or they paid for their beats or not. So we're gonna go down here because, you know, I don't know if they paid for their beats or not, and they're not gonna get me demonetized. You know what I'm saying? I need my little $100 a month from YouTube. Yeah, that was me or you, both of us. All right, you guys, so we're about to, I'm low-key gonna like, obviously the trash can's right here, so I'm not gonna shoot right there, but then I kind of see a vibe within there too, it's kind of playing around, but I'm gonna see whether I'm gonna actually use the flash or if I'm gonna just use kind of like natural light. I kind of do both. I like this little vibe right here because that is still my frame. I'm doing this simply because, right, you guys can see her. All of this is the background currently, so that whole part, if I go too far down, I'm not gonna be able to still see that. So that's backlighting her, right? And I also have this front lighting her as well. So I could do natural light or I could do flash, right? I have my flash on my side, just in case I would like to, you know, do a little pew, 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 pew real quick. And I got my POV mount. I've been liking my POV mount more than my, it's gonna sound bad, but more than my metas. And yes, I spent a lot of money on those, but I've been liking this a lot more than my metas. My metas have been pissing me off lately, bro. I can't get the colors correctly, and I can't get them to look exactly how I want them to look, so it's been making me mad. And yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. So shit, it is what it is. I'm gonna have her, she got a fit on, bro. Real spill, had to say it. Necklace on the belt, stop it. Yeah. All right, definitely gonna have you leaning on that bad boy. Yeah, that's tough. This is like real, like, this is New York, you know what I'm saying? This is real New York, and I get to use the new boy, you know what I'm saying? You see that on that mother, with the, in the eye, nah, stop playing. All right, so I'm gonna be shooting off to an angle, you guys, getting this is the background, and I'm gonna be like getting her, so foreground, midground, background, playing jobs with that. There's a lot of different layers back there, a lot of leading lines. So the lines from this background right here are leading towards Storm, okay? So I'm gonna be using all these different lines to kind of like lead towards her. I'll tell you guys, proper framing, proper leading lines, and you know, foreground, midground, background, and also kind of focusing on high, medium, low. When I was doing the workshop, I gave you guys a rule of 3-3-3, right? So the 3 different angles to get with the same pose, right? A low, middle, high, right? That's 3, right? Then you want a close, medium, and wide, all right? And then you want foreground, midground, background. That's 3-3-3, right? So I'm gonna hit regular with here, starting the recording. It's like so, hold it, yeah, right there, hold it, 3, 2, 1. What, boom, no flash, 3, 2, 1. Boom, I'm in aperture priority mode, you guys. I wanna keep the aperture prioritized, yep, hold it, let me see. Change my focus mode to regular focus, there we go, hold it, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. There you go, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's hard. Let me see, hold it. Come on down like this. Yep, hold it. Yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. All right, don't move that one, don't move that one. Come back. Yep, hold it. Lean more. There you go, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it, don't move, 3, 2, 1. Oh, hold it, yep. Ooh, bring up a hand. That one has the rings. That one has the rings too, though. I kind of like that one with the start. So when you're leaning down, take that right hand and like kind of like put it somewhere near you, but like cross it over. Like that. And yeah, like that. Hold it, yep. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. One more, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. And 1, hold it. Oh, that's hard. I'm gonna play some flash in here, you guys, and see exactly how the flash might go with these same type of shots that I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and go down on my ISO. I'm gonna change it to manual mode again. I was in aperture priority, but I want my shutter to kind of like stay the same. I may go to shutter priority just to show you guys how that goes. So I'm gonna do shutter priority. I'm gonna do 250 on the shutter so that my shutter stays the same. And I'm gonna let everything else change as it needs because I'm in shutter priority. Let me see. Hold it, yep. My flash back on, they're coming. Vibing, I'm not tripping. There we go, hold it, yep. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it, yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Let me see, I was trying to think too, like, is my flash gonna fuck with the trains?
I don't think so.
I'm sure you did. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna fuck up their signal or nothing.
No,
right, I want you to do this one again. I want to get the lighting better. Yeah, one more time. I'm all the way at 70 millimeters, you guys. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, don't move, don't move. Hold it, hold it. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, hard, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, one more, hold it. Yeah, one more. And one. There you go. Huh? That's it, yeah. I'm with Storm. Chugga chew. I'm with Storm. Chugga me. Chugga you. I'm with Storm. Chugga chew chew. I'm with Storm. Chugga me. Chugga chew chew. Chugga you. Yeah, there we go. Hold it. Don't move. I'm trying to get this lighting right. Hold it. Yep. I'm back manually, guys. 320 on the shutter. Oh yeah, this like gives me. This is some real neat. That's what. Get that one.
Oh, it's a freight train.
Oh, let's do it. I was gonna have you sitting on this little box. That bit's tough. That's probably their rail too. That's probably their signified rail. Do they come up here or like the guys that are coming on the side? 3, 2, 1. We got that blue black light back there. Hold it up. 3, 2. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, don't move. 3, 2, and 1. Turn your head more this way, yeah. That's cute, hold it. Hold it, yep. One more, hold it. To the head up. Chin up. Eye contact. Hold it, yep. Hold it. Hold it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it made it really soft. I'm aiming it at the sky. This shit's coming out hard, y'all. I'm aiming it like up. I'm not even aiming it at her. I'm aiming it up, and it's like making it come out so much softer. Yes. Hold it. Yes. Cute. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Hard. And I'm aiming it up. Oh, that's tough. Scoot back. Use this as like a thing, and like do like some shit like, and you can do that again like you just did. Yeah, there we go. Yep, there you go. Hold it up, 3, 2, 1. Yep. Hold it up. Yep. Yeah, there you go. One more, hold it. Hold it, yep. Yeah, hard. Hold it, one more. Hold it, yep. Yep, hard, yep. One more, hold it, 3, 2, 1. One more, hold it. Hold it, yep. And one. Don't move, I'm going this side, y'all can't see me no more. Switch your feet around. All right, there we go, yep. Yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Hold it, one more. Hold it. Yes. One more, hold it. Yep. And one. Put one foot down, that left foot. Put the left foot down. Like that. Yeah, like that. Let's hunch back. Yeah, like that. There you go. Hold it, yep. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, one more. Hold it, yep. 3, 2, 1. Yep. And 1. Look off that way. Yep. There we go. Oh no, shit, go back, I like that. That's cute, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, yep. I got take right here. Hold it, yep. One more, yep. All right, I'm thinking right here, and then we should be straight. And for you to get your thing, you can just chill for the last piece. Just like, you know what I'm saying? Man, fuck it. I said like, like here, like, you know the fuck I was saying? And There you go. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. And if you guys notice, I have my thing angled kind of up and off, so that just a little bit of it feather hits her. I'm not aiming it directly at her, just too much power. I'm aiming it like a little bit feathered off, so a little bit of the feathering hit her, okay? So it's a little bit that's hitting her. Yep, yep, hold it, yep, hold it, yep. Yep, hold it one more. Zoom out more. Foreground, midground, background. Yes, yep. Hold it, yep, yep. And one. Hold it. And one. Look off that way. Turn your whole face, yeah. Hold it. Where's hard? Hold that one. Hold on, yep. Eye contact right here. Yep, and one. Oh yeah, hold that one. They scare me, bitch. I don't even know when they trying to leave. Motherfucker, I know, boy. Anything for the shizot, man. Anything for the motherfucker shot, man. Let's do it. Childish, I love it. Childish and playful. Oh my God, he's like going crazy right now. Hold it. Yeah, hold it. Oh, hold it. Oh yeah, hold it. No more. Hold it. Throw the tongue back. Yep, hold the tongue back. There you go. Don't move. I'm gonna do it to the Marine. He's like pulling an X, cause he started stabbing the air. He gonna get us X'd out, boy. He said, it's.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.
How you doing today? You look good.